Planning a trip to Vietnam in 2026 but feeling confused about visa, especially if you're from Russia. You might be wondering, do I even need a visa? And if I do, which one should I choose? So if you want a smooth, stress-free entry into Vietnam, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand how Vietnam e-visa rules apply to Russian travelers. Russian passport holder can enter Vietnam without a visa for up to 45 days. This is great for short holidays. However, if your plans goes beyond 45 days, or you want to enter Vietnam multiple times within periods, and the visa exemption is no longer enough, and thus the Vietnam e-visa become most practical option. And the Vietnam e-visa is an official electronic visa. It is valid up to 90 days, and you can choose either single entries or multiple entries depending on your travel needs. And the biggest advantage is convenience. Everything is done online. No need to visit an embassy, no paperwork in person. If your case involves long-term work, investment, or sponsorship from a company in Vietnam, you will need a different visa type, usually with an approval letter or visa sticker. And in the next part, I will show you exactly how to apply a Vietnam e-visa step by step. To apply for a Vietnam e-visa, you will go through 3 main steps. Step 1. Prepare your documents and information. Step 2. Submit your application online and pay the fee. Step 3. Check your result, handle any additional requests, and download your e-visa. Now, let's go into each step in detail. First, step 1. Prepare your documents. It's actually very simple. You only need 2 main things. A passport photo file size under 2 MP, white background, front facing, and clear face. And your passport must be valid for more than 1 month. The photo of the passport page must be clear, not blurry, no glare, no missing corners, and must show the full barcode at the bottom. Besides that, prepare some basic information in advance like personal details, travel purpose, travel history, itinerary. This helps you fill out the form most accurately. Step 2. Apply online. First, access the e-visa service. Go out our website evisa.vnhub.com. On the landing page, select your nationality from the For Citizen of drop-down menu and your destination. And finally, click the Get Started button. Next, select Service Information. In this section, you define the type of visa you need and service type. Choose your desired visa duration and entry type. Service details, select the processing time that fits your schedule. Next, review the overview panel on the right to see the total cost. And you can also check the document to prepare tab at the bottom to ensure you have everything ready. And finally, click Continue. Then, provide applicant information. Carefully fill in your personal and passport details. And next, upload photos. Upload a high-quality portrait photo and a clear scan of your passport photo page. Next, full name. Enter your last name and first name exactly as they appear on your passport. Gender and DOP. Select your gender and your date of birth. Passport details. Enter your passport number, passport expiry date, and select your passport type, usually ordinary passport. Once all fields are filled, click Continue. After that, review and confirm. A summary page will appear. Review all information carefully, as errors can lead to visa rejection. Verify your personal info like name, gender, and nationality, and trip info like visa type, processing speed. If everything is correct, click Continue and Payment. Next, Payment. Choose payment method. Select your preferred method. In this video, PayPal is selected. Click Continue with PayPal. The system will show a breakdown of costs, including the order payment and the PayPal fee. Click Pay with PayPal to redirect it to secure payment gateway. And finally, completion. Once the payment is processed, you will see a payment successful message. You can now click Go to Order Detail to track the status of your applications. And you will receive email update inform us within 24 hours and we'll notify you via email if any additional documents are required. And you can also check your application status using your application code on the website. Once your e-visa is approved, print a copy to present open entry. Also keep a PDF version on your phone or email as backup. And that's it. I have just walked you through the full process of applying for Vietnam e-visa step by step.
Yes.
Good luck. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more visa update and travel tips for Vietnam. And if you have any question or run into issue during your application, drop a comment below and I will help you out. Thank you and goodbye.